Looking for an easy website builder that lets you launch a professional website fast even if you have zero coding experience? In today's video, we're reviewing Site123 to see whether it's actually worth your money in 2026. We'll cover its features, pricing, pros and cons, and whether it's the right website builder for you, so stay tuned. What is Site123? Site123 is a beginner-friendly website builder designed for people who want to create websites quickly without dealing with complicated design tools or coding. It focuses on simplicity and speed, making it ideal for small businesses, portfolios, blogs, and basic online stores. Key features of Site123. Number 1. Beginner-friendly editor. One of the biggest selling points of Site123 is its extremely simple editor. Instead of full drag-and-drop customization, it uses a structured editor where you choose layouts and customize sections, making it very easy for beginners. Number 2. Ready-made templates. Site123 offers professionally designed templates for different website types, including business websites, online stores, portfolios, blogs, restaurant websites, event pages. This helps you get started much faster. Number 3. Mobile responsive design. All templates are automatically mobile optimized, so your site looks great on phones, tablets, and desktops without extra work. Number 4. Built-in SEO tools. Site123 includes useful SEO settings such as custom meta titles and descriptions, URL customization, alt text for images, sitemap generation, basic SEO optimization tools. These help your website rank better in search engines. Number 5. E-commerce functionality. If you want to sell products online, Site123 includes built-in e-commerce features like product listings, inventory management, payment gateway integration, coupon creation, order tracking. Though it's better suited for smaller stores rather than large-scale e-commerce businesses. Number 6. Free domain and hosting. With premium plans, you get free custom domain for the first year, included web hosting, SSL certificate, secure cloud hosting infrastructure, so you don't need separate hosting. Number 7. Multilingual website support. One standout feature is multilingual support. You can create your website in multiple languages, making it a great option for international businesses. Number 8. 24/7 live chat support. Site123 offers 24/7 customer support via live chat, which is extremely helpful for beginners who may need assistance while building their site. Now let's talk about Site123 pros and cons. Here's what I like about Site123. Extremely beginner-friendly. Fast setup process, great multilingual support, built-in hosting and security, helpful live chat support, but it's not perfect. Limited design flexibility, less customization compared to advanced builders. Not ideal for large e-commerce stores. Some advanced features require higher tier plans. Site123 offers a free plan if you want to test the platform. Its premium plans unlock custom domain connection, more storage and bandwidth, e-commerce features, advanced customization options. Who should use Site123? I recommend Site123 for beginners building their first website, small business owners, freelancers, and portfolio creators. Anyone wanting a simple website fast. But if you need advanced design freedom, you may prefer other builders like Wix or WordPress. So, is Site123 worth it? If you want a simple, beginner-friendly website builder that helps you get online quickly, yes, it's a solid option. But if you need deep customization or advanced e-commerce capabilities, you may outgrow it fairly quickly. If you want to check out Site123, I'll leave the link in the description below. And if this review helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more website builder and software reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.